96% of attorneys say organizing case documents is important in order to analyze facts and issues. Analyzing facts and issues helps build your case strategy. However, for many attorneys preparing for trial, one of the biggest pain points is analyzing and drawing connections from the large amount of facts and issues within their case files. With Case Notebook, your case files are electronic, so you can sift through the vast amount of information, analyze the data to map out a comprehensive and understandable case story, and rest assured that no critical details are overlooked. You can even track how to prove or disprove factual assertions or legal contentions by adding your own notes to relevant documents. Build a strong case strategy with Case Notebook. Efficiency, strategy, synergy. The answer is Case Notebook.